People's Democratic Party (PDP) is facing a deepening political crisis as discontent grows among its governors and top stakeholders, threatening its future barely 2 years after the 2023 presidential election loss. Sources within the party revealed that 12 PDP governors have distanced themselves from the party's national leadership, casting doubt on the upcoming National Executive Committee meeting, slated for May. These internal rifts has raised concerns that the party may be ill-prepared for the 2027 electoral cycle. Reports indicate that at least 5 PDP governors are considering alliances with the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC) or a new political coalition expected to form ahead of the next elections. This shift comes amid an ongoing internal crisis tied to the influence of the current Minister of the Federal Capital Territory (FCT), Nyesom Wike, and his allies within the People's Democratic Party National Working Committee (NWC). The national leadership remains fractured, with many NW members opposing acting national chairman Ambassador Ilia Damagun due to his perceived loyalty to Wike. This division has effectively stalled the party's ability to respond to major national issues, leaving it to weak opposition first. Tensions between Wike and other PDP governors such as Bala Mohammed of Bauchi and Duye Diri of Bayelsa have not led to support for the national leadership, further eroding party unity. As this story continues to unfold, drop your opinion in the comment box section. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.